Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Y'all, Walgreens was so awesome this week. I had so much fun shopping, and I feel like I haven't had a lot of fun shopping recently. Yesterday was super awesome. The deals this week started on Sunday, June 13th, and there are some amazing weekly deals as well as some awesome clearance finds. So I'm going to share all of that with you, as well as how I chose to use my spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster and a paper booster that I used that printed out at the register. And last but not least, I will be announcing the winner of the $20 gift card giveaway. If I haven't said thank you enough, I do really appreciate you guys. And if you can help me get to 5,000 subscribers, I'll do another giveaway because it's fun to do giveaways and I do appreciate you all. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit that red subscribe button and share the channel with your friends because I seriously do love helping people save money. It's a little bit of my passion. All right. Let's jump into the deals. There are a number of deals this week that are buy two, get a $4 register reward. So I'm going to throw those up on the screen for you. That way you can see them because you do not want to do these in the same transaction. Typically, a register reward is only going to print one time. So if it's part of the same deal and you buy 3 scopes and you buy 2 Colgates, that register reward is only going to print out once, whereas if you did them in separate transactions, you would get the register reward both times. So when I talk about these items, make sure you're doing them in separate transactions. So one of the deals is on these smaller Crest bottles. This is the 500 milliliter bottles. If you buy 2, you get a $4 register reward. These guys are priced at $3 each. As you can see, I bought 3 of them. Why did I buy 3? Because I had a digital coupon for $5 off 3, so it made more sense to buy 3. So buying 3 at $3 each is $9. Minus the $5 off 3 digital coupon, I paid $4 and I got a $4 register reward back, making them all completely free. Now, as you're gonna see here in just a minute, I actually included this as part of my booster coupon. So I'm gonna talk about that again here in just a moment, but let me tell you about the other buy 2 deals. So the Colgate, they are buy 2, get a $4 register reward. These are priced at $4 each. So buying 2 is $8. I had a $4 off 2 digital. So again, I paid $4 and I got a $4 register reward, making them both free. All right. Another deal with that $4 register reward is, that's not happening. On these Gillette shave foams. They are both buy 1, get 1 half off, as well as buy 2, get a $4 register reward. So online, when I purchase 2 of these at buy 1, get 1 half off, I will pay $4.48 for both of them, but then I got a $4 register reward back, making them 48 cents for both or just 24 cents each. Now, I almost always do curbside orders because I can make sure my digital coupons come off and I have no surprises at the register. There is a coupon code that you can use right now if you are placing an online order. That coupon code is SUMMER20. So that will take additional money off of your total. So make sure if you're doing curbside orders, you don't forget to use that code SUMMER20. All right, the last buy 2, get 4 deal I did, and again, separate transactions, were on these Head & Shoulders shampoo. Now, these are also buy 1, get 1 half off, as well as buy 2, get a $4 register reward. So they are priced at $5.99 each. So with the buy 1, get 1 half off, I pay $8.98 for 2 of these. But I had a $3 digital coupon, so I paid $5.98. I got a $4 register reward back, making it $1.98. And then there is a rebate on Ibotta for $1 back on each of these, making them completely free. Double check your Ibotta app, make sure that offer is still there. It was $1 back and I did it twice, getting $2 total back. If you're not using Ibotta yet, grab it using my referral code and you can start saving tons of money. There are so many great Ibotta rebates and I'm going to be mentioning a few today. Okay, so those are the buy two, get $4 in register rewards. Let me tell you about this Tide deal because I know a lot of people like Tide and this is a pretty awesome deal. They're priced at $4.99 each. And when you buy 3, you get $5 in Walgreens cash. So I bought 2 of the liquids and 1 of the Tide pods. I included 1 of each because I have a $2 digital for the Tide liquid. I had a $2 digital for the Tide pods. So I bought 3 at $4.99. Minus the $2 digital, minus the $2 digital, I paid $10.97. And I got back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $5.97 for all 3, or just $1.99 each. This is how I chose to use my paper booster. So last week when I was at the register, a coupon printed out that said, get $7 in Walgreens cash when you spend $25. So because these got me to 15, I thought that was the best use of that booster. So I purchased these 3 Tides. I purchased the scope that I already told you about. And I purchased this little Mio like water enhancer. So let me tell you about the Mio first. And then I'm going to tell you about how I use that spend $25, get $7 in Walgreens cash. Now, these little Mios are on sale for $2.99 on the Shopkick app. There is an offer for 700 kicks back when you purchase this and 20 kicks back when you scan it. So that's $2.88. So I paid $2.99. I got $2.88 back on Shopkick, making this just 11 cents. Now, if this is a product you buy quite a bit, you know that 11 cents is a great price. If you're not using Shopkick yet, grab it using my referral code because you'll get an additional $1 back when you scan your first receipt. Okay, so now let me put those together and tell you how I use the spend 25, get 7. I bought the 3 Tides for $4.99 each. I bought the 3 scopes for $3 each. And then I bought the Mio for $2.99. Now I'm just putting the deals together that I've already told you about. When I do that, after coupons, I paid $17.96 for those items. I got back the $7 for spending $25. I got back the $5 in Walgreens cash for spending for purchasing 3 of the Tide. I got back the $4 register reward for the scope, and I got back the $2.88 on Shopkick for the Mio, making it all free and a 92-cent moneymaker. So that is super awesome for laundry detergent and pantry items and personal care at all free, 92-cent moneymaker. Awesome, awesome use of that booster coupon. So if you don't like spending more out of pocket using those booster coupons, you can do these as individual deals. Paying with Walgreens cash is totally fine. You would get your register rewards, you would get your Walgreens cash back if you chose to pay with Walgreens cash. You just couldn't pay with Walgreens cash using that booster coupon and still get the points back. Okay, questions on that, let me know down in the comment section below. While we're talking about boosters, let me go ahead and tell you how I used my digital booster. I had a digital booster for spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash. Yes, I could have combined the paper and the digital. I've shown y'all how to do that in past videos, but I did not do that this time. So spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash. I paired that with the Chic razor deal that's going on right now, which is spend $20 in Chic razors, get $5 in Walgreens cash. So I purchased 2 of these Hydro Silk touch-up razors. They are buy one, get one half off, and they're priced at $5.99 each. I also grabbed an Extreme with the pivot ball. Okay, these were the cheapest ones, the $7.79. And then I grabbed the Skintimate Vanilla Sugar, again, the cheapest one at my store. And this one was $7.79 as well. It rang up half price. So buy one $7.79, get one half price. Buy one at $5.99, get one half price. But I grabbed these items specifically because I had an $8 digital coupon that applied to these 2. I had a $4 digital that applied to this one, and a $4 digital that applied to the men's Chic razor. So after my coupons, I paid $4.77. Okay, $4.77 after coupons. I got back $5 for spending $20 on Chic razors, and I got back $5 for spending $20 using my digital booster, making it all completely free and a $5.23 moneymaker for these razors. So awesome, awesome deal on that as well. Questions? Let me know in the comments below. Another deal that's a good deal this week is on these Stay Free Ultra Thin pads. They are buy one, get one half off, and they are $5.99 each. So $5.99 plus the $2.99, you pay $8.98. But I had a $6 off 2 digital coupon. So look and see if you have that coupon as well, because then it becomes $2.98 for both, which is an awesome price if this is a product that you use. So what is that, $1.49 each. Let's talk about food. Speaking of food, 10 free Butterfingers. These are priced at 2 for $1 at Walgreens, 2 for $1. So buy 10 of them, you're paying $5. I paid $5 in Walgreens cash, nothing out of pocket. I submitted my receipt to Checkout 51. The Checkout 51 app is giving back $1 when you buy 2, and there's a limit of 5. So I paid $5 in Walgreens cash. I got back $5 on the Checkout 51 app, making all 10 of these Butterfingers completely free. Now, I'm not a huge fan of Butterfingers, but someone told me recently, hey, stick them in the freezer. They taste really good. They sure do. So if you don't want to be eating additional candy, don't try it. But if you like trying new things, stick that sucker in the freezer and give it a try because it was really good. Another one, Airheads. Okay, so these Airhead filled ropes, they are regular price at $2.29. Now there's 2 different apps giving a rebate on this. There is Ibotta that's giving back 75 cents. And Shopkick, which I talked about before, is giving back 395 kicks for purchasing it and scanning it. So 395 kicks for Shopkick is equivalent to $1.58. And so that makes this completely free and a 4-cent moneymaker. Now with Shopkick, every 250 kicks is equivalent to $1. So you take the number of kicks that you get back, you divide it by 250, and that will give you the $1 amount back that you should expect. Also with Shopkick, a lot of times the offers will reset, which is really cool because then you can go do the deal again. So I'm hoping to be able to snag more Airheads and more Mio later in the week. A couple of clearance food deals that I found. These Cool Mint chocolate Cliff Bars were on clearance at my store for 27 cents, and Ibotta is giving back 25 cents on this, making it just 2 cents each. I grabbed 5 of them, which is the limit, so I paid 10 cents total for all 5, which I thought was a fantastic deal, especially when I combine it with this RX bar that I found on clearance. So this bar was priced at 30 cents. It's the RX chocolate chip, and it qualified for a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, as well as a 10-cent, I think it was any protein bar that popped up. So I got back 60 cents, making this bar a 30-cent moneymaker, which more than covered the cost of the 5 other bars that I purchased. All right, I think that was it on regular deals for the week. The last thing I want to share with you is the clearance finds. Check out the, I don't even know what the aisle is called. Basically the incontinence products. I guess there's some assisted living type products like the canes and how to like adapt your home to be more accessible. That aisle is the aisle that I saw a ton of items marked 90% off. So these Certainty ultra thin pads, the 16 count, these were priced at 45 cents in my store. And these here, these Certainty pads were priced at 55 cents. Okay, so this is the 15 count, this was the 16 count. While that is an awesome price, there is also a digital Walgreens coupon for $1 off, making them completely free. So that's this one here that I grabbed. These are the men's undies. They were priced at $1.09, but that $1 off coupon also applied. So both of these became completely free. It just took off the 45 cents and the 55 cents. This one took off the full $1, making it just 9 cents total. So if you know someone who needs these products or you like making donations to local nonprofits, you can snag some fantastic deals right now if you check out that aisle and your store has those items 90% off. Like I said, I'm going to include a bunch of pictures towards the end of the video. That way you can see some of the other items to look out for. I just didn't purchase them. All right, I know you want to know who won the $20 gift card. Remember, you have 48 hours. So today's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So by Wednesday, let's say Wednesday at 1 o'clock, you need to email me if you are the winner. Then my email is savingwithchristina@outlook.com to claim your gift card. Let me know if you want Walmart or Target, and I will respond to you and get that to you. The winner is Sylvia Evangelista. So thank you, Sylvia. Thank you to everyone that entered and commented. I really hope that all of you can win a giveaway at some point in the future. Like I said, once I get to 5,000, I will do another giveaway for you guys. If y'all have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. And I hope y'all have a great start to your week. Thanks.